Very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We are here at WFL factory in Austria, and there is a 3-day open house, and we are happy to have Mr. Amod Kulkarni, whole-time director and CEO, Fuel Company Instrument and Engineers Pvt Limited. It's good to meet you, Amod ji. Before we dive deep about us here in Austria, can you let our audience know more about your company, history, background, what it does?
Okay. So, hi, this is Amod Kulkarni. So, we are Fuel Instruments and Engineers Pvt Limited. We are from Kolhapur, India. We work in different verticals of big component manufacturing and the solutions. So, our company is a 72 years old company. So we are in different kind of verticals of small part machining, big part machining, and foundry castings as well as forgings. So we are more a customer driven company, and we believe in innovation in the technology.
And I won't say you are man of few words, because I'm observing you since morning. You are very keen looking at the machine, the technology, also asking questions. So now let's come back here at Austria at WFL factory. How's your experience for the open house, and what sort of machines or technology which has excited you after looking at the machines?
Yeah, absolutely. So my experience in WFL Austria is amazing. So we have completed the tour and the factory visit, and it's been very impressive to see a different level of technology, design, and the creativity in the every machine is a different, and based on the customer's requirement and application, there are a lot of customization. So it's a complete amazing experience we have, and with all WFL team we are interacting, and we come here to search a complete solution for our customer. And before that we were planning to have 3 to 4 multiple machines, and changing the setup always is not consistently can deliver the quality. So we got a solution from WFL to have a complete single setup machining of the component, and also it's reducing the cost of the component drastically. So the consistency, the innovation, there are certain very much amazing features for to inspect the component while it is getting machined. So these are somewhere the points where we are very much impressed. We are very much keen to explore the different configurations for our machine requirements and customer needs. And it is a completely different experience. I have never seen such a huge machines with a great innovations, accuracy, and the manufacturing skill. So it's a completely, I can in a single word can say, amazing.
And happy to see the enthusiasm, the way you have spoken. And I would like to add one more thing from my side. It's good to see companies from India looking at quality, productivity, precision, make in India, made for the world components. And it's good to see companies like yours investing heavily on technology, because at the end of the day, if a quality part is made in our country, it can be exported everywhere. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Wish you a great show, sir, and see you soon in Mumbai or Pune.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Sir.